You have to excuse me, I'm a bit out of breath. I just tripped over and lost my flip-flop running down the garden. I was looking for this, frog tape. So you will need tape, a sponge, either a brush or a toothbrush, which is so much more fun. I think it's just because you usually put it in your mouth. Obviously don't put it in your mouth after you've used it. Ta-da! Oh, and paint. Black, cyan or blue, magenta or pink, and white. So I'm going to mask out a border just because it makes it so much more satisfying. You guys can scale this up. I did a whole wall of my room as a galaxy, and then I covered it with photos because I didn't like it. If you're an OG subscriber, you'll understand that we go a bit off topic sometimes and end up talking about random things. So you have to bear with. So I'm going to get my sponge. This is a dish sponge that you use to clean things. And I'm just going to get some of our black paint on the corner just there. And we're going to dab, dab, dab away. I'm getting some of this cyan. You want to dab it on. We're going to add some white. Dabbed a bit of both on the corners there. I'm not really an astronomer, so I don't quite understand why we've got colours in the sky. But if you are, that's really cool, because that means there's an astronomer watching my video. Right, now going in with our magenta. A little bit, just add a bit on the corner. It's kind of okay if it all gets a bit blended together. Now I'm going to get my brush and I'm going to just dab it in the white paint. This is where your fingers will get a bit messy. I'm going to flick. Hey, look at that, it's ruined my nails. I grew out my nails for the first time a while ago. I always used to be a biter. Not of people, of my nails. Oh, that's a good flick. I did like that one. See, the stars really make it, don't they? Bring it all together. I would say wait for it to dry and then peel it off, but we're going to peel it off now. Oh wow, that is satisfying. Isn't that satisfying? Oh, I should do more of these. Ta-da! It's like a little hole into the universe. Like the video and comment down below if you're an astronomer. I'll see you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye! Please subscribe so I can buy more paint.